Weaned calves today, doing pretty good. Get the big trough on the outside there. We'll put it on the trailer. We're also gonna grab that trough there. Just open it in the middle and then take it out. I like moving these calves around a couple times a day. Just kind of look at the room, make sure they're moving, they're up, they're doing okay. Just checking on the calves that we weaned. There's some heifers in here and a few bulls, some bigger steers that we're going to keep for our freezer beef program. So we're just kind of looking them over. Looks like they're doing pretty good. We like to be out here just kind of moving them around a little bit, just make sure there's nothing sick. Make sure they're all okay. They seem to be doing all right. We have these big bales out here of alfalfa. Let them free choice them. There's 3 more bales in the other pens here. So there's 4 bales total. They should have plenty of feed. So these bales are around 1,350 to 1,400 pounds. Make sure nothing's sick, making sure they're all in good health. They're all getting a drink. Getting them up, if they're laying down, getting them up, moving them around kind of motivates them in 2 ways. It motivates them to drink, and it also motivates them to eat. Plus it helps keep them gentle, and they know you're going to be around them and you're not here to work them, you're just walking through them. This way they get used to you. Then when it comes time, you keep them as replacement heifers or cows. They're easier to manage. As we go through here, there might be 1 or 2 that they don't gentle down real well. We'll take those out up there because it just stirs everything else up. You can say they want to stand in the water trough, stir up all the crap on the bottom, but that's life. There's a mix of cattle in here. We originally started with Beefmaster cattle, which they don't really have a specific color. That's probably where you see the heifer there that has some paint to her. She's probably a high percentage of Beefmaster. Beefmasters, there were a lot of paints. You could have yellows, brindles, reds, tans, blacks. They were just kind of assorted colors. There was nothing specific. So there's a big influence in here of the Beefmaster. We incorporated some Brangus and also some Angus cattle. We also incorporated some Piedmontese. We did that for locker beef. It has the sheer ability of it is good. Because of that, the meat is tender, but it's very lean also, so you don't get a real fatty steak or burger or whatever. It's pretty lean, still has a flavor, still tender, and a lot healthier for you. Well, it looks like they're all doing real well, so we're going to go on to our next project. We're going to work these calves today that we've weaned. We're going to put an ear tag in them and give them a vaccination. So we're just getting ready. Everybody's kind of doing their thing, getting ready for everything.
I'm here too.
What's Ross doing? I want to ask him a question.
Why did we open this up right here?
Well, this was open so that the calves could go back and forth through all the pins.
Oh, okay. So you're going to put it back together, or what are you going to do?
No, we don't need to put it back together. I'm just going to shut this gate.
Oh, okay. And there's our Hayden.
We'll work them through.
Good morning, Hayden.
That chute right there. And then we'll just let them out, and they can go back over here. Whatever, they can't go anywhere.
Yes, Brooks.
Last video, everybody said, my mom said, what?
Another what?
What was your favorite part of the video? And everybody said, Brooks riding Mighty Eagle. I'd say, Brooks riding Dennis.
You gonna ride Dennis today,
Yeah.
Brooks? Good, good. Do you know that Dennis, I remember when he was a baby, he was born in our pen of pasture, and he was a little foal, and he was always laying down. He was kind of a sickly horse, but he sure grew up to be a good horse, huh? Yeah, he did.
Today.
Okay.
And Connor's gonna be gone all afternoon.
Where's Connor gonna go all afternoon?
He's gonna give wood to people in Sanders.
It's Thanksgiving, isn't it? It's a day to serve everybody, don't you think? Good.
I gotta go.
Good for Connor.
Okay, set that. So it's hooked.
We're branding?
Just some of them are branded.
Mm. How many are you going to fill up, Jerry? Just that one? That big syringe?
Oh, yeah. There's another one here. But...
Oh, yeah, there is another
Okay,
one.
so this is ready. You know how to do those? Yep, you feed them in that, put this in there, and then you gotta shove it through the ear. Yep. Not sharp, so don't get your hand. You guys know how to use a shoe?
Let's try it. Yeah.
Okay, this is. Ross, you know how to use a shoe? Okay. This opens, so you have to. There's a latch on that side. You have to pull the latch, open. You have to make sure it's shut. Check it, otherwise I'll hit it and they'll be out of here. This regulates this catch. That's the head catch. See how it moves that back? That releases it. Calf comes in. Don't want it ever above that. And these small calves are probably right there. So the calves come in. As soon as they get their head in there, I mean, you got to be faster. They'll go through, and then we got to run all the way back around. So when they come through, that releases it. So when we get ready to let them out, we release the head. The calf will usually go backwards. You can pull this, swing the gate open. They come out.
You think they should practice?
Get in there.
Right in there, we'll catch you.
No, I mean opening and shutting it, Jerry.
Yeah, go ahead. Try to open it and shut it. Calf's coming in. Okay. Everything's done. Release it. Release the head. Release the head. No, release the head. Remember, you weren't watching. How does that thing release it? Think about what's on the end of that rope. This. So you have to push it down. You lift it. See how it pushes this thing back? It releases it. This can come up. Okay, done all the work. Now release them. Don't let them all the way past you. Don't let them all the way past you, just to there. Otherwise, they'll try to jump through them and then they get caught. Okay, I'll shut it. Make sure it's latched. Okay, so Brooks and Henson are going to bring these calves up. So we're going to get them to come up. Once they get up, we need to kind of be there. We don't want to block there. We want to be there where we can push them into the alley here. So when you get it back to that part, have those in your pocket, and then you can just push back and pull it through me. So let's see, we'll try it.
Hey, Ross.
Okay. One of them get through there and get deep. Are you paying attention to the grass inside? getting after it. You know, watching these guys do all my work.
Great job, Brooks.
All right, we just finished up the branding.
Yeah, we did.
What did I do? What did I do, Dad?
Ross, he manned the head catch, so he caught them all, and he did really good. Usually, you know, we'll miss a few, but Ross didn't miss any. He caught them all.
Yeah.
So
It's kind of confusing.
good,
First part
good
of it.
reflexes, I guess.
Yes. Or got lucky.
Yeah.
Beginner's luck.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a pretty good day.
Good though.
I didn't really do too much.
I don't know. That's kind of one of the most important jobs right there. Because if you don't catch them, you don't work them.
Okay, so I guess you could say I did the most.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you definitely was involved in every one.
Yeah.
You had to be involved in every one of them that came through.
And that's all we did today. That's all that's all for this cowboy.
There you go.